Guess where the slime is hiding? Is it in a seashell? Or in a big macaroon? In a strawberry? Or in a balloon? Or maybe it's in a berry milkshake. We will find it wherever it might be. Watch squishy and slime stress relievers in our new summer video. Dolly hates insects. She is afraid of all tiny creatures. I wonder what she will say when I put my big, cute snail on her shoulder. Hi, my little sticky friend. Cover an empty sea snail shell with blue acrylic paint. Add the same paint to stationery glue and pour in some liquid laundry detergent. Stir until you get a smooth slime consistency. Put the slime into the shell. Dolly is terrified by this accessory. She prefers seeing snails only in pictures or in the grass. She doesn't like the idea of holding it on her shoulder. It's so slimy. I hurry to calm her down. This blue mollusk is just a slime toy. It can easily jump off your shoulder at any time. But Dolly is not excited about this entertainment. She's gotten stressed out over this stress reliever. Unlike me, I can pull the blue snail out of its shell all day long. Dolly got really furious. She is in a bad mood. Even an amusement park doesn't make her happy. And the blue-eyed girl is looking forward to taking a ride. But doing it all alone is extremely boring. She is trying to talk Dolly into getting some extra adrenaline together. The only way to distract the blue-eyed girl from her obsession is giving her a little unicorn. Fill a balloon with a unicorn image on it with sealant. Tie it up nicely. The blue-eyed girl is hypnotized. This unicorn is better than any amusement park. Now you can't pull her away from her new squishy friend. The unicorn holds the blue-eyed girl hostage. What a cutie! This cat is so lovely. Achoo! Oh no! I'm allergic to cats. The blue-eyed girl loves these soft animals, but her nose doesn't. What should she do? Our soft, squishy kitten will help her. Cut a cat's head with ears out of a thick sponge. Trace it on soft fabric. Mark allowances. Hot glue two of the same details and turn it right side out. Wrap the sponge in plastic wrap so that it stretches out slower and put it inside the fabric detail. Hot glue the hole. Cut heart-shaped eyes, nose, and ears out of felt. Attach them to the cat's muzzle. It's such a cutie! The kitten is so soft. You can squeeze it, stroke, and press it to your face. It is not dangerous for the blue-eyed girl as it doesn't cause allergies. And it is as nice and gentle as a real cat when you touch it. If only it could purr. On the other hand, it doesn't scratch, and you don't need to clean up after it. A great stress reliever! A lunch with my friend. We are just discussing a new article, but Dolly has something more important. Maybe a president is actually calling her. She leaves me for the sake of her secret call. Time passes and she is nowhere to be found. On the other hand, my macaroons have been served. I'm going to cook a special dessert for my friend while I am waiting for her. A big macaroon with slime inside. Trace the plate on a piece of extruded polystyrene foam. Cut out the circle and trim the edge to remove the marker traces. Smooth the edges with fine sandpaper. Color the circle using a sponge and acrylic paint. This is a maxi macaroon layer. Mix shaving cream with stationery glue and add contact lens solution. Mix it thoroughly. Put some baking soda on your palm and shape the slime. Put the slime onto the macaroon layer and cover it with another identical layer. Finally, Dolly comes back. What a fabulous macaroon! The dessert managed to grow up while I was away. It looks delicious! And what kind of sticky filling is in it? Is it edible? Unfortunately not, but you can play with it. Dolly doesn't have fun with the slime because she's expected to try a tasty dessert. Well, the blue-eyed girl is kind. Here you are, take a piece of a real macaroon. What can be better than a strawberry dessert in summer? Only a sticky strawberry